Everyone. Thank you for coming along with me to Layo's Academy, where beginners become confident IT auditors. This is Layo's Academy, and we have a series of resources for you to help you, to guide you step by step as you begin your new journey into your IT audit career. The first product I'm going to be talking about, which is the best starting point for anyone who feels lost, is the IT audit roadmap. It breaks the entire IT audit journey into 12 clear weeks that you can follow steps by step. Inside the roadmap, you'll find what to study each week. You're going to find simple activities to practice each week. You're going to find guidance on how to read my IT audit fundamental book. You're going to find my personal encouragement that I will be sharing with you. Trust me, you're going to need this encouragement as you go along on the journey. The second product I'll be talking about is the IT Audit Fundamentals Manual. This is your core knowledge foundation. These are the chapters that explain access management, change management, IT operations, IT application controls. Every chapter was written from real experience while working on IT audits at a big four public accounting company and also a financial institution. If you study this manual and do the activities inside, you would have more than enough